We just had an excellent time at Lavaloha Chocolate Factory. If you're ever on the Big Island, this is a place that you need to go to. Not only do you get to sample all the chocolate, you get to learn how it's made, and you get to taste an actual cacao fruit.
If there's one thing on this planet that Laura loves more than anything, it's some chocolate. So today, we're gonna go see how chocolate is made here on the island at a private tour.
I'm so excited.
We had to make a call to get into here.
Lavaloha Chocolate Farm, are you here to visit?
We sure are, yes. We have an appointment for 2 p.m. Thank you.
We are doing a chocolate tour, basically to see how chocolate is made here on the island, like Mike said. And this place is called Lavaloha.
Oh, this really is, you know, pretty far back there.
We're turning to the right. Lavaloha Chocolate Farm tours. Woo woo! It's a chocolate farm. You guys, this is great. Oh, and look at the view.
Wow.
This is great.
Oh.
No worries.
Flavors. So what is the premise of this tour? What are we doing here?
Check out some of our cacao trees. We're going to start off with our younger fields and then go into our more mature orchards.
Out here they have these trees wrapped because they're just young, and pigs and beetles will get to it, so they're covered up for now, keeping them safe until they're about 2 or 3 years old, before they'll grow up and sprout right out of there and they won't need the bag anymore. Everything that we've just passed all the way back here is all run by only 4 employees, or farmers if you will. What an awesome place, what an awesome job. Way at the back here are the trees that are about 10 to 12 years old and fully matured.
Now we're going to try to find you a ripe pot. So what we're looking for is like a bright pumpkin color.
Okay.
And
Oh, there it is.
that's her right there.
Wow.
There's the pumpkin color. This one's going to be good, I can tell. So it's a thick husk, so the scratch test does not harm them whatsoever.
Okay, this is so stupid of me, but
No stupid questions.
okay, I imagined that like the inside would look like chocolate.
No,
It might trick you.
it's a fruit.
Oh my gosh, that is how chocolate is
of the
made.
stuff that looks.
So right now.
Okay.
And you can suck on the nectar around it, and I think it might surprise you.
Yeah.
Slippery little suckers.
So don't
It's
chew the
yummy.
bean itself, but the
Ooh, it's
puma
good.
or the pulp is what
Around it?
Around it's full of sugar, citric acids, and oils, and it helps accelerate
tastes like
the
lychee.
fermenting process.
Oh my god, it's really good. I think you're supposed to eat the middle.
You
can eat the
can.
middle.
Oh, you
It's
can?
a bit
Oh.
bitter. If you like
not
dark
doing it.
chocolate, you can mix the whole thing together. And if you feel like having another seed, you can bite through it, look at it, and you'll notice the
yellow.
color change.
Slimy.
And don't worry about spitting
But
seeds
makes
anywhere.
chocolate.
It'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of want a little more.
Leah, this is for you.
Oh!
Got a little jewel box and everything.
Thank you!
Well, that's so awesome! So after being able to taste the inside, the raw fruit of cacao, it's the most crazy flavor. It tastes like the starburst of fruits. The whole fruit on the outside of the seed is white, and it tastes kind of like a starburst. It really is like the sweetest fruit. Crazy delicious.
It's delicious. It's my new favorite food.
Staying ahead of the curve is a big deal, especially here. There are about 12 other cacao farms on Hawaii, but this one specifically, the Lavaloha, has been around the longest. So they're really developing these plants to be some of the best on the island.
It's really difficult to smash a pod open with this thing, and it just exhausts you. Later on, we kind of modified a machete to be more of a guillotine, and this we still use, but we needed to invest in one of these guys. Flown all the way here from Brazil, and is the envy of all of the cacao growers on the Big Island.
Imagine that in your yard.
That smells like.
So when this stuff gets wet, it'll smell even more like chocolate.
Holy moly. That
Pop
smells
it.
like...
That smells great.
Aromatherapy fertilizer.
That's not a trick. And that's
Yeah,
all
you
the
said that's
byproducts.
fertilizer? Why is that fertilizer? That's crazy.
We don't want anything to go to waste. But
All that is
Wow.
high-end fruit.
That's the best smelling fertilizer I've ever smelled, and I want to buy that for everything. Last but not least, we're visiting the chocolate lounge.
use it.
Okay.
If we were to process it further, so with extreme pressure and a little bit of heat, this is how we extract our cocoa butter. So we're done teasing you. This is the tempered version, and this is our absolute dark. This is the 90%. This is not the regular 90 that you would try on an ordinary smooth aftertaste. You don't get that acrid burn.
It's like coating my
The flavors that are coming through on this are incredible.
Oh, great.
Here's our 70%.
I'm actually tasting the fruity notes that you're saying.
You get that banana right away.
Yep. Yeah, totally.
Whoa, yeah, she's not kidding. That banana.
Yeah.
Not done yet. We still got the 50%.
Okay.
This is the milk chocolate. No dairy, no eggs.
But I'm sure we could actually make a milk chocolate from coconut milk and still be friendly.
Yeah.
Although I liked both of the other ones too, but that one was like.
Yeah, that one makes you like.
Here we are back at the visitor center. We're gonna try some of their white chocolate.
With cacao nibs in it, so it's like she said it was like a cookie and cream experience. That's good. Oh my gosh.
I guess I have to. Whoa,
Isn't that good?
no joke. White chocolate isn't my favorite, but that doesn't taste like it's like, wow. It's like milk chocolate.
Yeah. It's all chocolate. If you're ever on the Big Island, this is a place that you need to go to. Not only do you get to sample all the chocolate, you get to learn how it's made, and you get to try the beans. And the beans, just like we showed you, they are wrapped in like a flesh, and it's so sweet and delicious. Those people are awesome. Huge thank you to Melissa, Justine, and Jeremy. They were awesome hosts, and they were excellent tour guides.
So today, we're gonna go see how chocolate is made here on the island at a private tour that we just booked.
I'm so excited. Yeah, you get to try the seeds. Not seeds. What are they?
Beans.
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 Yeah, beans. You get to try the beans. All right, it's that way. We're going the wrong way. It's getting a little bumpy in here.
It's okay. You can take it.
I'm like, stop. You're doing that on purpose, you jerk.
Ooh, is that one of those measles? Yep.
Ew. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
That's disgusting! Orchards of some type, right? Ah! No, yuck! Ew!
Ferret.
Get! A lot of times we see like this rat, squirrel, weasel thing across the road.
Oh, mongoose.
What?
We got mongoose.
Mongoose. Yay, we're walking through the woods.
Pollinated by bees. They are pollinated by midges, which is a little grass fly. And they jump up.
Not little people.
Yeah, not little.
I thought that first when you said that.
Midges, not the other word.
12 other cacao. There are about 12 other cacao farms on Hawaii. We're heading towards the processing bay.
Oh, those. Okay.
This is the milk chocolate.
This-
So we are no longer in vegan territory.
Wait, what makes it, what?
Milk powder.
Milk.
Yeah, none of the dark chocolate has any milk.
I'm such a dummy. What makes it
Dairy.
Here we are back at the visitor center with a new battery finally, and we're gonna try